A wetland is a distinct ecosystem that is flooded by water, either permanently or seasonally, and occurs where water meets land. Wetlands exist in every country and in every climatic zone, from the polar to the tropics and from high altitude to dry regions. Navi Mumbai, a satellite city of Mumbai, has few wetlands dotted around, such as the Panjhe Dogri wetlands, the Talve wetlands and the TSC wetlands to name a few, which along with others are home to large number of coconut trees and mangroves and are a foraging and roosting area of several bird species like lesser sand plover, curlew sandpiper, lesser flamingo, the greater flamingo, purple moon and many more. One can see as many as 800 to 900 flamingos at the Panjhe coastal village during the months of October to March. Collectively, the wetlands are home to more than 100 species of birds, with many belonging to endangered and vulnerable groups. Wetlands are truly nature's most biodiverse hallmark.
In movies, they are shown as dark and dank places full of bloodthirsty creatures lurking in unseen corners. Our perception of swamps, marshes, and other such semi-aquatic habitats has always walked on the fear of the unknown. They have never been recognized for the richness of their ecosystems. This mindset has led to the large-scale destruction and paving over of wetlands that dot our cities and countryside. Since the advent of industrialization and urbanization, the wetlands came under severe threat due to increased anthropogenic pressures. As per an estimate, India has lost 38% of its wetlands between 1991 and 2001 alone. Since wetlands not only serve as migratory hotspots for birds that employ the Central Asian flyway, one of the major migration routes for birds flying from Central Asia, Europe, Tibet, China and Russia to the Indian subcontinent during the winter, their rapid destruction spells the end of breeding grounds and habitats of innumerable species of birds, making widespread extinction of our wetland birds seem more likely as time passes.
Partial or complete destruction of the wetlands would lead to the displacement of a large population of the wetland birds, which may induce random movement of bird flocks or increase competition for space and food in already existing habitats due to overpopulation. In both the scenarios, birds will be under tremendous stress and are more likely to spend much time in the air, forming large flocks, which will be hazardous for aircrafts. Significant measures must be taken should we wish to avoid potential mishaps, among many other concerns. We need thousands of schools and university campuses to join hands in conserving bird habitats with lists of once common birds of high conservation concern in every curriculum. Land filling, excavation of soil and deepening of the wetland should be strictly prevented. Intensive fishing should be restricted along with 2 hours before and after high tide being declared as no fishing hours. Traditional fishing practices should be managed in such a way that water level in the wetland is kept ideal for birds, which is 10 to 25 cm deep.